Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of fried eggs, you have to try this silky, jelly-like steamed egg custard. It's incredibly smooth, with no bubbles at all, and it literally jiggles like jelly on your spoon. This is the ultimate comfort food for the whole family. Let me show you how to make it perfectly every time. First, let's start with 2 eggs. The secret to that perfect texture lies in the ratio, 1 part egg to 1.5 parts water. If you're not sure how much water to add, just use the empty egg shells as a measuring cup. 6 shellfuls of water will give you that perfect 1.5 ratio. Make sure the water is around 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid using cold or boiling water. Warm water is the key to a tender finish without cooking the eggs prematurely. Add 0.5 g of salt and a pinch of white pepper. The salt isn't really for saltiness. It actually helps the eggs set and coagulate more effectively. Whisk everything together thoroughly, but keep your movements gentle to minimize air bubbles. This is the real secret to keeping your steamed eggs incredibly silky and smooth. Use a spoon to scoop out any tiny bubbles on the surface. This ensures a perfectly smooth, mirror-like finish. Next, cover the bowl with heat-resistant plastic wrap or a flat plate. Poke a few small holes with a toothpick to help the steam escape. This stops water drops from ruining your eggs. No more holes inside. When the water is boiling, put the eggs in. Use medium heat. Steam for 10 to 13 minutes. Then turn off the heat and wait for 2 minutes. While waiting, let's chop some green onions into small pieces. Now, add some soy sauce, a little sesame oil, and our fresh green onions. Look at that! It's so smooth and bouncy. Try it today. If you have any questions while making this dish, let me know in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. Follow me. Let's make delicious food simple.